To add a pop-up to Shopify, start by understanding what a pop-up is and how it can benefit your store. A pop-up is a window that appears on your website, often used to promote special offers, encourage email sign-ups, or provide important information to customers. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on Themes and then Actions, followed by Edit Code. This will take you to the code editor where you can make changes to your store's theme. However, a more user-friendly approach is to use a Shopify app that specializes in creating pop-ups. There are many apps available in the Shopify App Store that can help you create custom pop-ups without needing to edit code. Some popular options include Pop-up Window, Privy, and Justuno. To install an app, go to the Shopify App Store, search for the app you want to use, and click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app and grant it the necessary permissions. Once the app is installed, you can start creating your pop-up. Most apps will provide a drag-and-drop editor or a range of templates to choose from. Customize your pop-up by adding text, images, and other elements, and set the rules for when it should appear, such as on page load or after a certain amount of time. When creating your pop-up, keep in mind the goal you want to achieve. If you want to encourage email sign-ups, make sure to include a clear call to action and a form for customers to enter their email address. If you want to promote a special offer, include a compelling image and a limited time discount code. After you have created your pop-up, test it to make sure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments. You can test the pop-up by viewing your store as a customer would, or by using the app's preview feature. Finally, track the performance of your pop-up using analytics provided by the app or Shopify's built-in analytics tool. This will help you understand how effective your pop-up is and make data-driven decisions to improve it. By following these steps, you can create a pop-up that enhances the shopping experience for your customers and drives more sales for your store.